Okay, here we go. Cheese. Okay, don't see them. Hello, hello. Oh, we unzipped it. Let's see if we see in there, Dan. Who's in there? Let's see. Uh-oh, there's RJ. RJ, I see you. There you are, hiding. Uh-oh, there's Katie. Uh-oh, be careful. Where's RJ? Scarlett, be careful. Uh-oh, I see him. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Oh. Woo. We're having next fun playing in that tent, aren't we? Yes, everybody be careful.
Hey, this is broken.
No, it's just unzipped. It's like a boat. Now you're in a boat instead of a tent. There you go. What's Katie gonna do? Are you gonna peek in the window at him? No, no, don't tip it over, no, Katie. Well, let's see what the kids are doing that they're not supposed to be doing. Uh-oh, what do we got going on in here, huh? Uh-oh. Who's all in that tent? Let's see who's in there. Oh, there's Scarlett. And who else do we got there? Oh, Katie and RJ. Well, hello, hello. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Cheese. Yep. Uh-oh, I see somebody through the curtain. I see them. Who do I see in there? Oh, I see Katie, and I see Scarlett, and I see RJ. There's RJ. Uh-oh. Now we're having fun now. Yes, we are. Uh-oh. There's Scarlett sneaking out. What'd she get? Ooh, she got a strawberry shortcake toy. And then Katie and RJ are still fighting. Oh, there's Katie. Ah, I see her. There they all are. Oh, no, no, no. You gonna be fun? Oh, I seen RJ peeking. Oh, yeah. I see strawberry shortcake. Uh-huh. Yeah, hi. Hi. How are you?
I got it.
Oh, you're Scarlett? Oh, okay.
We see.
Let me see. You want to see them in there, but you can't see you. See Katie?
Hi, Katie. What are you doing?
You can't see you, but you can see them. No, no, put your hand in front of it. Uh-oh. There's RJ. Oh, there we go. Uh-huh, there's your picture. Be careful, Katie. Scarlett, stop. Okay, there we go. Be careful and be a good girl. I don't see nobody. Let's see who we got in there. Uh-oh. Be so careful. Be careful, careful.